talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your KuCoin app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo here in this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take us to this list, and all you have to do now, just click on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on market tracker here, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on floating window, just click on it. So when you click on it, you come to this list, you come here to floating market tracker, you click in this sign. So then it's going to take us, so you just switch in here. So then it's going to take us here to appear you're up here. So it's going to take a time to open with us, and you go down here, you're looking for KuCoin up. So then you enable it here. When you just go back, then you will find here this sign, it's enabled with us on your KuCoin app here, like you see. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.